This is our last Sunday morning math video of the semester of fall 2020. No! It's about Connect 4, which we've already put out 2 videos about. So if you don't know the rules to Connect 4, try and navigate back to the first video we put out on the subject where we explain the rules of what's going on. But in the meantime, I have a question for you. It's actually not really a question. It's more of me just sharing with you one of the really cool things that math and computers have been able to do together. So it's sort of about a subject called computer science, and the question comes from the idea behind tic-tac-toe. Some of you might have played tic-tac-toe for a little while and noticed that if both players play totally perfectly, then the game will always end in the draw. This means that the first player can always move to never let the second player win, and the second player can always make moves to make sure that the first player never wins. So you could ask the same question about Connect 4. Like if both players have the totally perfect strategy, who's going to win? Or will it always be a draw like tic-tac-toe? But the main difference between Connect 4 and tic-tac-toe is that there are a lot less moves you actually have to think about, right? In tic-tac-toe, you can sort of maybe get your hands on, but roughly speaking, like Connect 4 has a ton more moves and it's really hard to see what's going on. But on the other hand, we know that there aren't infinity many different ways that a Connect 4 game can be played because there's only a finite number of slots that you can put your checkers in and only a finite number of turns. So we know that there is an answer to the question of will the first player always win if they play perfectly, or the second player will they always be a draw? But up until 1989, we didn't know what the answer is. So the question is like, who has the winning strategy in Connect 4? And computers were able to answer this, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So it turns out a bunch of people doing research were able to find out that the first player will always win Connect 4, and this was done in the 80s, and so people were able to reduce the computing time needed and all this stuff, so they were able to post a full solution to the Connect 4 on the website. And their answer is that the first player, if they play perfectly, will always win Connect 4. This link is found on our website, or you can just check it out right here. But like, you can sort of see like the perfect Connect 4 strategy. So for example, if you click show solution, this will show you that if red wants to win, the definite best first move is in the first column. And this says for yellow, the thumbs down means it's bad to play in, but yellow can't win. So all they can do to play perfectly is delay the inevitable, which means take the move with the least loss. So you can sort of play through this game and see what a perfect Connect 4 game looks like. And by the way, a really interesting question is, chess also ends in finitely many moves by how the rules work, but a question nobody knows the answer to is who has the winning strategy in chess? And the reason that nobody knows this answer is because there's just so much more complexity in chess than there really is for Connect 4. Right, so it would take even a computer, basically for what we think, no matter how we type in computers nowadays, it would take computers thousands of years or maybe even more to actually figure out who is the best winning strategy in chess. So nobody knows who has the best move in chess. Might be something interesting to think about. And don't forget, by the way, we have volunteer office hours where you can talk about Connect 4 or anything else with our math grad students if you're an Austin area student. It'll be in our Discord from Sunday, November 22nd from 12 to 2 p.m. If you're an Austin area student and want to go chat with a bunch of grad students and math PhD students and talk about all the really fun things about math, like Connect 4 and any other math question you have, just email us at smmg@math.utexstudy.edu with your first name and what school you go to, and we'll put you in the Discord. And this is my last video of the semester. I hope you're all doing well, and I really miss seeing all you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos, and I hope you continue to keep coming to office hours and keep staying positive in these tough times.